Good morning, y'all, and welcome to another fun-filled week in Alabama. We find ourselves doing a little mooch docking in our friend's driveway. We're on Lay Lake, which is a dammed-up portion of the Coosa River down in southern Alabama. Today we're going to be moving the Love Hut to go work on some projects, and the rest of the week is going to be filled with just as much fun and adventure. Y'all hang on. I'm going to enjoy this one, and I hope y'all do too. And here we have a river rat trailer park in essence. We're working on a couple of these, what we call fishing cabins. Basically, it's just somewhere dry to sleep when you come down to this area to go fishing out on the lake. This one's been sitting for quite a while, and we're gonna do some cleanup on it so that it'll be usable again. Let's see when we get done. I'm gonna run this pressure washer first.
Well, I'm just hanging out on the pier, y'all. I've got 2 lines set, and I'm hoping for some catfish. Hello, Alabama. Well, guys, apparently by fishing today, I meant that I was going to put a whole lot of bait in that water while making a whole lot of noise over here. And unfortunately, I've messed up my buddy over here. And I'm going to have to go find a guitar shop. My priorities for this week just very much changed.
Chris,
Shayna?
are you gonna change this oil or are you just gonna lay there next to it?
Shut your mouth.
Eventually we're gonna go do something today. Let's see if we...
Change this oil. I'm in the position to supervise you changing this oil. Come squat over here.
Alright, let's change the oil.
Anything without a cigarette in your hand?
Light a cigarette.
How do you do stuff?
With your vaporizer.
What?
Time to go.
Boy, look at that sunset. This place is beautiful. We did a bunch of grass cutting today. Tomorrow, we'll start doing some carpentry. One step at a time. Chris has got his handfuls around here, man. Hopefully we help him out a little bit. Well, good morning, y'all. This is one way to start an Alabama day. Kelsey? Where are we going?
It needs to go to the doctor.
Weirdly, there is a, what do you call these guys that fix guitars? Luthier? A luthier. There's a luthier in Silicaga, so we're headed to drop Kelsey's guitar off. And then we're gonna go to the big box store.
Well, y'all, we went and got the Love Hut and decided to make our way back to the cabin.
Sneak up behind you, bub.
And there's legitimately pigs.
There's pigs walking up behind you, sir. Pigs.
I'm gonna need an explanation for why those guys are here.
I don't know, but it could be a problem. They're ornery. I want to eat you.
Oh, guys, that sun is trying so hard to play with us today, but the clouds are not having it. I think we've got quite a bit of rain coming our way. I am happy to report, though, that the Coosa River in the last week of November is still far warmer than the Great Lakes. Ever thought about being in July? I don't want to go swimming in it though. I'm perfectly happy just hanging out on the pier. I think the boys are actually getting some work done over there though.
Well, we managed to get a little done today. Unfortunately, the sun's setting here about 4:45, so we didn't get too much daylight. Maybe we'll get back tomorrow. I think it's gonna rain though. We'll see what we can get into. That sky looks beautiful, huh? We're in Alabama. There's never an explanation for pigs in the road. It's just there's pigs in the road. It's just life. Sometimes it's a cow too. Kill her and yada yada.
Oh, good morning, everyone. The sun finally decided to come out and the Love Hut is on the move again. We are headed back over to that cabin that Shane and Chris have been working on all week.
We're gonna go roll around in the mud and continue what we're calling underpinning work. It's just making it look pretty. And it's gonna look prettier today. Kelsey, you gotta catch us some catfish today, though. Awesome catfish.
Yeah, I think I might spend some time with the pole. I might also go pig hunting though. We'll see what happens.
It is an amenity here. You just picking fish up out of the grass, Kelsey?
This one.
You're wasting.
Not yet, dude. You can die later.
This is the good bait.
Between those 3 poles, I've got 8 hooks in the water right now with a combination of live brim and some cut up shad. I think we're definitely going to be eating good tonight. Ooh, I might be getting a little bit of a nibble over here. Well, they're certainly bigger in that water, but I'm not complaining about this guy being my first for the day. You're gonna be yummy. And numero 2, he's a little guy. Well, I did my job today. We've got enough at least for fish sandwiches for everyone. Those are definitely the first flathead catfish I've ever caught. I consider it a successful day. What did you boys do?
Oh, we made some sawdust and made some progress. We also stood around and talked about our problems for quite a while. And how we're gonna solve them, because nothing about that structure is real. It's in essence a barn or cabin that's been built over many decades with many different people doing it. So everything has just been, what's the cheapest solution to fix this problem? So we're having to, you know, gussy it up and make it look pretty, and that's really hard to do. That was our problems, Kelsey. We talked about our problems.
Let's go eat some fish.
Good morning, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't record a lick of any photos or videos yesterday because our day kind of started out weird and it went weird all day. But we got a situation on our hands. It's early and we are trying to get this truck rolling because Miss Kelsey, the rock climber here, was walking down those 3 steps over there and somehow managed to fall and get an owie.
Yeah, it's always the lame things that get you. I really thought that I was gonna wake up this morning and be okay, but I was not correct.
It's her arm, to be clear. We have a broken wing, we think.
Yeah, it doesn't move.
So we're gonna go to the hospital.
Wish me luck, y'all.
Good luck, y'all.
Oh, this is not how I wanted to spend my day, y'all. Well, guess what? It's not broken.
It's not broken.
No broken bones at all.
But they got a sweet demobilizer on there.
Yeah, something's wrong though. They've got me pretty stabilized for the weekend, and we are going to just really, really hope and pray that all is well by the time that Monday rolls around. For now, I think Shane and Chris have some work to do that I've been delaying long enough.
Yep, time to go swing some hammers, Kelsey.
It's much better than how we thought our day was gonna go. Oh, guys, that water looks pretty. I don't think that I could reel in a catfish if my life depended on it right now, though. So I'm gonna go find my bed while the boys work. Y'all, all of those mountains that you watch me climb, up and down and all over, didn't get me. Yeah, that bottom step there did. I missed it and almost face planted into that concrete, but lucky for me, I was able to catch myself with all of my weight on my elbow. I'm not feeling too great, but it's getting a little bit better, and the boys are inside cooking something delicious tonight. We're gonna spend another night hanging out with our buddy Chris. Let's go inside and see what they're cooking.